Hello, this is Miss Kristen. Oh no, the bugs are missing. Friends, will you help me find the missing bugs? They said they'll help. We're on our way. Come on, let's go. Look, I have my backpack. I wonder what's inside. Whew, a hat. It's a place to put bugs. Bug starts with the letter B. Friends, will you go on a bug hunt with me? Let's go on a bug hunt and find all of the creepy, crawly bugs. And we'll put them in our bug holder. Bug. Bug starts with the letter B. Bug. Bug. Do you know what kind of bug this is? It's a spider. Wow, this is a really big spider. Do you know a song about a spider? You do? Let's sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider together. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Peekaboo! Will you go on a butterfly hunt with me? I'm going on a butterfly hunt, going on a butterfly hunt. I'm gonna find a blue one, I'm gonna find a blue one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Oh no! Look at all of this mud. I can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go under it. I guess we're gonna have to go through it. Let's stomp through the mud. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Good job. Look, we found the blue butterfly. Let's look for a red butterfly. I'm going on a butterfly hunt, going on a butterfly hunt. I'm gonna find a red one, gonna find a red one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Oh no, look at all of this water. We can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go under it. We're gonna have to swim through it. Swim, swim, swim. Whew, we made it. It's the red butterfly. Friends, will you help me find a purple butterfly? We're going on a butterfly hunt, going on a butterfly hunt. Gonna find a purple one, gonna find a purple one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Oh no, look at all of this tall, tall grass. We can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go under it. We're gonna have to go through it. Swish, 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 through the tall grass. Whew, we made it. Look, it's the purple butterfly. Great job, friends. High five. Butterflies come in all different colors. Will you say the colors of each butterfly with me? Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue. Those are such beautiful butterflies. Can you say the colors one more time? Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue. Great job. Reach, reach, reach. It's deep, far down. Can you get it out? It's an ant. Levi, this is an ant. It is an insect. Thank you. Insect starts with the letter I. There are all kinds of insects. We have ants. Crawly ant. Crawly ant. We have ladybugs and bumblebees and butterflies and even spiders. Spiders, crawly, crawly, crawl, crawly, crawly, crawl. Spiders. Insect starts with the letter I. You showing them the insect? It's an ant. Peekaboo! Hi friends! I'm going on an insect hunt. Remember, insect starts with the letter I. Let's look around and find different insects. I see a bumblebee. Hi, bumblebee. Let's look for more insects. It's a grasshopper. Hi, grasshopper. A butterfly. Hi, butterfly. A ladybug. Hi, ladybug. Do you see any more insects? Let's find more insects. A spider. Hi, spider. It's an ant. Hi, ant. There are so many insects. Insect starts with the letter I. Let's learn some fun facts about butterflies. Did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? That's so silly. Butterflies have long tongues like straws. And a group of butterflies is called a flutter. Butterflies can see lots of colors. That's why they love beautiful flowers. They love sunny days. Butterflies sleep at night, just like me and you. Baby butterflies are called caterpillars. Butterflies are insects and they have 6 legs. Butterflies love sunny days and they help flowers grow by spreading the pollen from one flower to another. Wow, butterflies are so neat. Butterfly, butterfly, spin around. Tiptoe softly, touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly, wings so wide. Flap, 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 let's glide, glide, glide. Butterfly, butterfly, fly up high, whirling, twirling through the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, float to me, light as air can be. Butterfly, butterfly, wave goodbye, see you soon up in the sky. Butterflies are really special because they're symmetrical. Symmetrical means when something is exactly the same, like when you look in a mirror. Let's do an easy activity that you can do at home to make a butterfly that is symmetrical. All that you need is a butterfly cutout and some paint and something to paint with. I like to use Q-tips, but you can use your finger too, whatever you want to do. So we're going to start by painting one side of our butterfly. We're only going to paint one side. So I use yellow, purple, and blue. So I'm going to dip my Q-tip into the paint and I'm just going to put little dots on one side of my butterfly. Just one side, yellow dots. You can decorate it however you want. You can do dots or lines. It's up to you. Big dots or little dots. It's to show how the sides of the butterfly are exactly the same. So get your paint all on the side of your butterfly, however you want. Big dots or little dots. And after you've put dots all over your butterfly, now that we've painted one side of our butterfly, we're going to fold it in half. So fold your paper in half, and then you're going to press nice and tight so you smear your paint all inside. And we're going to open it and see how, oops, I must have had some paint on my finger. That's okay. We're going to squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it so that the paint gets on both sides of our butterfly now. After you've squeezed it really good, squeeze, 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 rub it together. We're going to open. 1, 2, 3, open. Wow! We made a symmetrical butterfly. The colors and the patterns on both sides are exactly the same. Let's count butterflies. Count the butterflies with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the butterflies again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. March, 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 march. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down in the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down in the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stopped because he scraped his knee, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down in the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops, he sees a beehive, and they all go marching down the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Let's say the number on each ladybug together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. Did you know that ladybugs are beetles, not bugs? Ladybugs have 6 legs and wings, and they can fly really fast. Ladybugs eat tiny bugs called aphids, and they help make plants grow big and healthy by eating the little bugs. Ladybugs drink water off of leaves. And ladybugs make a really stinky smell to keep their enemies away. Pee-you! Wow, ladybugs are so neat. Friends, I had so much fun learning with you today. Thank you for helping me find all of the missing bugs. And we're not done with our bug adventure yet, because on Monday, we're gonna make a bumblebee craft. It's gonna be so much fun. So make sure if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an episode of Pre-K with Kristen, where we play, learn, and grow together, and learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye!